My name's Jack Roxburgh. I'm the Environmental Manager at Central Waste Station based in Kurri Kurri in the Hunter Valley. We are a major C&D, commercial industrial and construction demolition recycling business. We also run our own skip business bringing waste into the site. In the construction and demolition game, there's always the potential for fibre cement to come into the facility, whether it be asbestos containing or not. We still need to check because otherwise it gets crushed through our plant and can contaminate the whole facility. Asbestos fibres can cause severe damage to the human respiratory system, so we need to make sure that our guys on the ground aren't exposed to any fibres being released while they're working, and it's our duty of care to make sure this doesn't happen. Prior to having an asbestos analyser on site, it was more of a visual check and we'd rely a lot more on reports being sent by clients. Now that we've got the MicroPhazir, it means that we can test everything on site. It's a great screening tool to ensure that asbestos doesn't get into our facility. With the MicroPhazir, it enables us to basically get an instantaneous result in asbestos containing material, which means that we don't have any lag time of trucks waiting and a lineup of trucks. We can pull them to the side, prevent them from tipping till it's checked, and then within a couple of minutes we have a result to say whether it's a positive hit for asbestos, and then we can deal with it from there. The MicroPhazir provides us with a more conclusive analysis of the asbestos materials coming in and allows us to demonstrate to the client that it does contain asbestos or it doesn't, and that means we can accept it at our facility. Create a much easier way to have a discussion with someone openly. Our environmental protection licence states that we're not allowed to accept any asbestos containing materials, so we have to ensure that it doesn't get into our materials for recycling. We have a 3-strike policy for clients bringing in material in their rubbish, and if it does have asbestos containing materials in it, we sit them down and discuss it from the start and explain to them why they can't bring it into our facility and what has to be done with it prior to them getting rid of it. It's a huge time saver, and it really prevents our product getting contaminated with potential asbestos. Once we've got the potential asbestos material, our guys use the MicroPhazir to check it. It's a couple of minutes, which prevents having to go to a lab to get tested, and can have a bin sitting in the yard for 24 hours. Gives you that surety on site whether it contains asbestos or not, and you're not having those lag times, because if it does contain asbestos, you want to deal with it as quickly as possible. You don't want to have that lag time of finding out the lab results, which can be more harmful to the workers on site.